Hello friends, welcome again and learn verbs in English Urdu with sentences starting from B to C. So let's start our video with this first word, that is believe. यकीन करना. I believe you are right. Belong, ताल्लुक होना. This bicycle belongs to me. Bend, मोड़ना. He let your knees bend. Bet, शर्त लगाना. I bet you know French. Bind, बांधना. Do you bind books? Bite, काटना. I got bitten by mosquitoes. Blow, धमाके से उड़ना. फूंक मारना. Tom blew balloon. Boil, उबालना. Please boil an egg for me. Borrow, उधार लेना. I need to borrow your car. Bounce, उछलना. Bounce the ball and try and hit it over the net. Bow, झुकना. अदाब. Every child bowed to the teacher. Break, तोड़ना. We broke up. Breed, परवरिश करना. Rabbits breed quickly. Bring, ले आना. I brought some dessert. Broadcast, नशर करना. We broadcast news on the hour. Build, तामीर करना. We need to build a fire brigade. Burn, जलना. जलाना. The spy burned the papers. Burst, फटना. He burst into the room. Buy, खरीदना. I will buy a lot of candies for you. Calculate, हिसाब लगाना. A computer can calculate very rapidly. Can or could, कर सकना. Can you give me a ring at about 10? Care, देखभाल करना. Would you care to join us for dinner? Carry, ले जाना. I don't carry cash anymore. Catch, पकड़ना. Let's catch a bite. Celebrate, जश्न मनाना. We are celebrating Tom's birthday. Change, बदलना. I changed my mind. Choose, मुंतखब करना. Every day is beautiful if we choose to see it. Chop, काटना. Tom chopped down the tree. Claim, मुतालबा करना. This diet claims to eliminate toxins from the body. climb, चढ़ना. Carlos climbed the mountain. Cling, चिमटना. The mud clung to his shoes. Come, आना. I am coming today. Commit, irtikab करना या अहद करना. David did not commit those crimes. Communicate, इत्तला देना या बातचीत करना. I can't communicate with Usman like I used to. Compare, मवाजना करना. They compared the new car with the old one. Compete, मुकाबला या हमसरी करना. I competed with him for the first prize. Complain, शिकायत करना. John complained about the weather. Complete, मुकम्मल. He completed drawing his pictures. Concern, तशवीश. I am concerned for Usman's safety. Confirm, तस्दीक या बात पक्की करना. The report has yet to be confirmed. Consent, इकरार करना या रजामंदी. We hope we will consent to act in his stead. Consider, फिक्र करना या गौर करना. Investors should consider putting some money into an annuity. Consist, मुश्तमिल होना. A soccer team consists of 11 players. Consult, मशवरा करना. You would better consult your doctor. Contain, पर मुश्तमिल होना. This box contains 5 apples. Continue, जारी रहना. The finance minister will continue to mastermind Poland's economic reform. Convince, मनाना या कायल होना. I am totally convinced of that. Cook, पकाना. The pizza will then take about 20 minutes to cook.